Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this really easy, simple birthday look. I'm not really going anywhere. I don't have any plans. I'm gonna stay my ass in the living room, eat some caldo that my mom made, and yeah, I'm not going anywhere. So that's why I didn't do that much, but I mean, it still came out pretty cute. So if you guys want to see how to do this look and just chat with me while I do my makeup, then just keep on watching. So I just wanted to get ready with you guys because today is my birthday and I'm not really doing anything crazy, but I don't really have anything planned. Like, I'm just gonna be home and family's coming over and I might go out later. I'm probably going to go to a hookah bar. I've never been to one and my friends want to go, so because I don't know how long my family's gonna be over. And also I was thinking about doing like a little birthday vlog, but I'm not sure because my life isn't that fun, you know. But yeah, I'm just gonna do something pretty simple on the eyes. It's gonna be really easy to do, so yeah, love that. I'm gonna call my friend right now too. See what she's doing. I'm just using my new nude palette.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice
Wow.
message system.
Rude. On my birthday. Jen, if you're watching this, that shit hurted. So I'm doing something really simple and honestly probably just gonna use like a shadow or two. I forgot to put my earrings in. So yeah, it's not really anything like crazy. It's just gonna be like my family. My aunt's in town, which is exciting. She's here from Mexico, so she'll be here, and then my godmother. So I have both of these Super Shock shadows from ColourPop. I kind of want to use this one because it's called Birthday Wish. Like, do you see that? Oh, it's upside down. It has like little candles on it, and I don't know, it's my birthday, so like when it's like really sparkly, I might use this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna dab that on with my finger onto my eye. Ooh. Like, I love Super Shock shadows that are like really glittery because it just like transforms the look and makes it look like you did like a lot, like you kind of really worked on it, but I didn't really do shit. Like, guys, my brushes are so dirty. Please don't come for me, but I'm gonna clean them soon, I swear. I'm just deepening this look up just a little bit. So like really I use two shadows and then put the Super Shock shadow all over the lid. So this is kind of like a simple like glam birthday look. I feel like normally I would do something like a freaking like cut crease, lashes. But yeah, this is your more wearable look. But that's really it for the eyes for right now. I'm just going to start doing my base makeup. So I just wanted to talk to you guys. So we have over 160 subs right now, and I am so thankful. You guys know, I think I said this in like my last video or something, but oh, I got really close to my brow. I think I mentioned this in my favorites video, I believe. how my goal was to reach 150 by the end of the year. And like we already passed that. So I'm so freaking thankful. Like I'm growing at such a fast rate and I'm so excited and blessed. And honestly, this was just like the best birthday gift. Thank you so much to everyone that's subscribed and watches my videos and just gives me like feedback and motivates me, because I'm doing this for me and for you guys. I just want to give you guys good content, and I don't know, I'm just really excited. And thank you for the people that like want support and want to support me as well, if that makes sense. So there's another small YouTuber that I recently subscribed to, and I was watching her video. She made like a video on a giveaway and she was talking about this, and I felt like it was really important to talk about too, because I agree with her. Being a small YouTube, you notice who's supporting you and who's not supporting you, or like when someone just wants the subs for themselves. Like it's really kind of upsetting, like when people comment like I want to support each other and then they unsubscribe after you subscribe to them. Like I don't know, I'm just not here for that. Like it's not that I don't want to support other people, but don't tell me that you're going to support me and then unsubscribe. I'd rather you just tell me like, hey, can you check out my channel? Like I'd really like that, instead of like making it seem like you're gonna support me, if that makes sense. So yeah, she's a really cute YouTuber and I've really been liking her videos. I'll leave her video link down below. She goes more into depth about that, but yeah, I just thought it was an important topic because it can be really like discouraging for smaller YouTubers like me. I don't know, I'm still going, but thank you to the people that like believe in me and like my videos and want to see more. I don't know, I'm really excited and I'm honestly just getting started. I'm going to make my own little studio in my basement soon. So I have a basement and it's not like fixed up or anything, but we don't really use it. Like we just like store stuff down there and do our laundry down there, but that's all that like there is down there. So I can literally set up my entire studio. I ordered like new backdrops and I got more lighting, so the quality is going to be so much better, and yeah, I'm super excited. I just want to give you guys good videos and there's so much that's coming, like you guys don't even know. Yeah, I'm so excited to see where my channel is gonna go. But it's just crazy because you guys are probably like, what do you mean like your channel's growing fast? Like you've had it for like 7 months, like you should be there already. But I actually I like uploaded a video back in April. That wasn't my first video. I deleted my first video because it was filmed off of my phone and it was like really shitty quality. That was probably like my sophomore year of high school or freshman year. Yeah, so I deleted it because the quality was horrible. It was like an eyebrow routine and I didn't know about copyright, and the song got copyrighted, and yeah, I was just really like uneducated. But April looks like it was my first video, but yeah, I wasn't like consistent until October when I started, like you can check on my channel, October I started uploading like a lot of videos. So really like I would upload, like I uploaded April and then I uploaded like 2 more videos throughout the summer, but like I said, it wasn't consistent. It was like every once in a while I uploaded a new video. So in October, up until October, I had like 35 subscribers, and since then I've been uploading at least 2 videos a week. And yeah, now I have like 160 something. So basically in a month I went from like 35, well not a month, it's December now, so like a month and a half. Now I almost have like 200, like we're working towards 200, and I am so excited. What you doing?
At work.
Damn. Cause like family's coming over and I'm not sure like how late they're gonna be here, you know?
Okay, yeah.
But like since they close late, like I don't know, like I'm not sure like when we're gonna like cut cake or anything, you know? But like I don't think they're gonna be here too late, so like I just wanna tell you like we might go instead of telling you like last minute.
We're going. Yeah. That's fine.
Alright. So yeah, we might go, so like maybe be ready just in case.
Yeah, no, I'll be ready anyway, since it's also Diego's friend's birthday y quería ir un rato a su casa.
Okay.
So anyways, I'll be ready.
Oh, okay. Works out good.
So just let me know.
Alright, I will.
Alright. Bye.
Bye. So yeah, I'm going to a hookah bar later. I don't know if that's something like... I mean, I'm 18, I'm allowed to go, like, but I can talk about that on my channel, right? It's not anything bad. Oh my god, that looks so patchy over here. Do you guys ever spray your face and then not wait enough time and it like... So always wait after spraying your face, or else your bronzer is gonna look really patchy. Like, don't do this to me on my birthday. So after this, I'm gonna film the haul video. There's something I wanted to talk about. I'm just remembering. I'm over here like thinking like, what can I talk about? And now I remember. So I wanted to tell you guys that in honor of it being like my birthday and it's December now and like, you know, Christmas, I'm going to try to upload 3 videos a week. And that's, I know I sometimes do that, so I know it's not going to be super hard, but also like I'm in school and we're getting close to finals and I don't want to like kill myself to get a video up, you know, if I have a lot of stuff to do. But hopefully I can like, I think I can be able to do it. I'll try. I'm gonna try and manage my time, but I want to get up 3 videos, and then hopefully the days I'm supposed to film, which are Mondays and Wednesdays, I'm gonna upload like Christmas related videos. So I have a few Christmas looks that are coming up. I already filmed them, so I have like next week's videos already, and yeah, so like I have those videos coming up, and yeah, I'm just excited because I'm going to be uploading a lot more this month, and I have a lot of ideas. And so whatever other day I choose to upload the 3rd video, it will probably be like a bonus video. Like the haul video will probably be the bonus one for next week, and yeah, so those will be like not Christmas related, or unless I have like a lot of Christmas ideas, then yeah. So yeah, like if you're not subscribed, like please make sure to subscribe, because I'm gonna upload a lot more videos soon, and they're gonna be really good videos, and my quality is gonna be so much better. And yeah, and when I get like a lot more subscribers, I'm definitely gonna be doing like giveaways and stuff, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, just thank you to everyone who like takes the time to watch my videos and like comment on them, and I don't know, you guys are awesome. Oh yeah, and my friend came over today, so my mom asked me to go to Jewel because she needed some chile for like whatever she's making. She's making caldo de camarón, and I don't know, that's not something I ever like really craved, but like I'll eat it anyways, you know. But she's making that, and she asked me to get chile guajillo. Like, I don't know why she needed that. I don't know if it goes in the caldo or something, or if she's making something else. But yeah, she asked me to get that, so I went to get that for her. When I came back, my friend and her boyfriend were in my house, and they came up to me, like, to the door, and they had a cake and it was lit up and it was so cute. And I'm just gonna curl my lashes, put mascara on, and yeah. Okay, so the eyes are basically complete. I'm just gonna apply this nude lipstick because I'm all about the nudes. You guys, look at how many empty brow things I have. Like, it was such a struggle to do my brows because all of them were freaking empty. Like, this is the completed birthday makeup look. Hope you guys liked it. Yeah. It's my birthday, so I'm gonna go wear this to my living room because I ain't doing shit. I'm really just gonna eat, so yeah. So hopefully this video goes up soon. I hope it wasn't too long because I was talking a lot, but yeah, it was just like a chit chat, get ready with me type of video. So I didn't really talk about the products, but I'll have those products linked down below. So make sure you check out the description to see exactly what I used on my face. And yeah, I hope you guys like this look. Hope you guys like this video. And if you aren't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. And if you aren't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this video. And yeah, thank you guys so much. And I'll see you in my next video.